Hey everyone, welcome to the How to Guide Tech channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually put a video right inside your Google Docs. You might think you can just go to Insert and find a video option, but it turns out it's not that straightforward. Right now, Docs only lets you insert images directly, but I have a hack for this. So here's the thing. First, you need to get your video uploaded to Google Drive. I will use my channel avatar video. I'll do that right now by dragging and dropping my video file into my drive. Okay, let's wait a sec for that upload to finish. All right, it's done uploading. Now, find your video in Drive and click on it. If you double-click, you can see the video and even play it. To get this ready for Docs, right-click on the video file and choose Share, and then Share again. Over in the sharing settings, under General Access, choose anyone with a link. Just hit copy link and then done. Head back to your Google Doc. You could paste that link directly into the document. If someone clicks it, they'll be taken to the video to watch it. But honestly, that doesn't look great sitting there as just a plain link. Here's a nicer way to make it work. Click on that pasted link you just put in the doc. The video will open. Take a screenshot. If you are using Windows like me, then press Shift or Windows key to take a screenshot of your video player window. Grab just the video player part. Go back to your doc and paste that screenshot image below the link. Next, cut or delete the original link you pasted at the top. Now, select the screenshot image you just pasted. You should see a little link icon appear near it. Click that, or find the link option in the Insert menu. Paste your video link into the box that pops up and click Apply. What this does is cool. Now, when someone is looking at your doc and they click on that image you pasted, it becomes a clickable link. They can just click the image and it will open up the video for them. It looks much cleaner than a text link. And one more thing, if you want a video link for online videos like YouTube, everything is the same, except you don't have to upload the video to Google Drive. Just use the video link. If this little trick helped you out, drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.